Are you looking for a curriculum that bridges the learning gap between preschool and primary school and focuses on foundational literacy and numeracy while providing the right tools and guidance to teachers? We have you covered. Early Years Learning Program, EYLP, is a comprehensive preschool curriculum kit that delivers high-quality education during your child's formative years. EYLP is based on NEP 2020 guidelines and focuses on foundational literacy and numeracy, critical thinking, creative thinking, physical skills, socio-emotional skills, and life skills. Concepts in EYLP progresses from simple to complex in an age-appropriate fashion, and this ensures a smooth transition from preschool to primary school for children. EYLP includes 5 levels: Primer, Primer A, Primer B, Grade 1 and Grade 2. The program focuses on 5 core areas in each grade: literacy, numeracy, general awareness, art and rhythm, and stories and rhymes. Let us explore the major components and offerings of EYLP. They include books for students, resource books for teachers, digital learning resources, resource kits, and curriculum implementation support. Let us take a look at these in detail. The first component is a set of brilliantly illustrated books for students that have been designed to nurture the skills recommended in NEP 2020. They also contain exclusive skill-based practice worksheets focusing on foundational literacy and numeracy. The books aim to help children move away from rote learning to meaningful applied learning. The second component of EYLP consists of interactive ebooks and digital teaching learning modules on the Next Curriculum app. It also includes digital lesson plans, downloadable worksheets, digitized forms of books in an interactive format with embedded voice and text features, like highlighting of words as they are heard, and interactive activities for identification and recognition. The next component is teacher resource books that have concept-based lesson plans to help educators. The plans also include integrated activities focusing on hands-on learning and developing students' higher-order thinking skills. The connect, communicate, collaborate, create approach in these books helps teachers transition from teaching to facilitation. The fourth component is the teacher resource kit that contains teaching learning materials such as flashcards, stick puppets, and play materials for interactive teaching. What sets EYLP apart from other pre-primary curricula is the fact that we provide comprehensive curriculum implementation support, and this is our final component. It includes virtual and physical support sessions that consist of orientations, classroom observation sessions, and continuous professional development workshops. Thus, EYLP not only makes the teaching learning process better, but also helps you build a trusted brand for quality education. Choose EYLP today.